Hey, I'm Chef Rama.
And I'm Chef Anita.
And today we're going to show you how to make a cardamom roasted butternut squash. So if you've never heard about cardamom, you are missing out. It's got this minty kind of floral flavor and we use it a lot in our tea.
Yeah, pop in a few cardamom pods this way in the bowl, and everyone's gonna think that Rama and me are having a fight, but we're not.
We use for
powdered cardamom.
It's so easy to have.
Very simple. Yeah.
I'm going to show you how to cut the butternut squash. What we're going to do is take a very sharp peeler, have that on hand, and a sharp knife as well. I'm going to cut it right here where the bottleneck basically kind of naturally divides itself. Take your peeler and go ahead and peel away. Let me just get it down the middle. And now I'm going to cut this into strips, and then I'm going to get a nice medium dice on this squash. So once we've actually chopped up our butternut squash, we're gonna get a parchment lined sheet tray. We're gonna place all of we'll keep this for later for another recipe. That's what we need it for. We're gonna keep this on a parchment lined cookie sheet. So for those of you that don't know this trick, this is an age-old culinary trick from cooking school when I went to CIA a long time ago. And it's time-saving and it's cleanup saving, right? So once you're done with this, you actually throw like a parchment paper.
You're done and it's clean.
Yep.
So we're using very simple spices here. We have the cardamom powder and we have some cinnamon. Yep. And it's just very simple. Yep. And of course salt, pepper, and olive oil.
So we've got the cinnamon powder. It smells amazing, like you said. The delicious cardamom. That you did. While she does that, I'm going to drizzle in some olive oil. And we also have our oven preheating at 400 degrees. The last thing that we're going to do is drizzle in our honey, and it's going to help caramelize this.
All nicely mixed up, just spread it around so it has some room.
At 400 degrees.
That's it.
So the butternut squash was in the oven at 400 for about 20 minutes until really fork tender. So when you put your fork right through this, it goes in really easily. That's perfection. And now we're going to go ahead and plate it up in a bowl.
Pop it into a plate. There we go.
That is perfect.
It smells so good, Rama.
So good. I love this. Let's go ahead and put some cilantro on top of this. And this is so delicious. I mean, Okay, Mom, you ready to taste this?
Yes.
Okay. The cardamom and the honey, remember, and this cinnamon powder. It is so good. So good.